In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Wise to Xero. Before we jump in, make sure you're logged into your Xero account and that you have your Wise account details handy, such as the account name and the currency you'll be using. In this walkthrough, we're setting Wise up in Xero as a bank account without a direct bank feed, which means you'll import transactions manually later or handle them via statements. Let's start on your Xero dashboard. At the very top of the page, look for the main navigation bar. Find the option labeled Accounting and click on it. This opens a drop-down menu with several choices related to your financial records and reports. From that drop-down menu, select Bank Accounts. This takes you to a page that lists all the bank and payment accounts you've already set up in Xero. This is where we'll add Wise as a new account, so it appears alongside your other business bank accounts. On the Bank Accounts page, look for the button that says Add Bank Account and click it. Xero will now try to guide you toward connecting to a bank feed, but since Wise isn't always available as a direct feed in every region, we'll add it manually. On the next screen, instead of searching for a bank or choosing from the list, look for the option that says Add Without Bank Feed and select it. This tells Xero that you're creating a bank account that won't connect automatically to an online banking service. After selecting that option, click on Continue. Xero will now display a form where you can enter the details for your Wise account. Here, carefully fill in all the required details.